What is going on, everybody? Right here in front of me is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now, you notice that there's two boxes here. One of them has the sports band and the other one has the Galaxy Watch 8 itself. Now, normally when you buy a Samsung watch, you already have the wrist strap already attached, but in this case, not here. So without any further ado, let's unbox this. Of course, what I have here is the Wi-Fi/Bluetooth version. I don't have the LTE. You can also get the LTE one as well, but I chose not to get that one because I don't use LTE on my watches ever. So right here you have your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and of course I just took the plastic wrap off, and there's the watch itself. We'll just put that down. And right here is where you probably get your instruction manual, if it would come out. Actually, no, this might be the charger. Yeah, so this is the charger right here. So when you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, you just simply plug it on there and it's magnetized. Not MagSafe, but it is magnetized. So we'll just put this off to the side. And let's see, what else do we have right here? We don't have anything else in here. Now we have an instruction pamphlet or instruction cardboard thing. And for some reason, oh, this is the wrist strap guide. So when you put on the wrist strap, this will help guide you. So yeah. All right, so right here is the wrist strap. So let's unbox this. Let's see here. You got a couple of these little small tape thingies here. All right. This should come right out. This is the black one I think I got. Yep. So right here is your wrist strap. We'll just put these boxes off to the side. Put this off to the side right here. And we'll detach this. And then get rid of this plastic right here. So here's your wrist strap. And you see it would go basically like that. And one thing it doesn't have is the orange and blue thread things. It still has thread things here, but it has color matching threads. So I don't know why Samsung put those threads there, but they're there. So anyway, let's get this wrist strap attached. All right, so right here, we're going to attach the wrist strap, clips in like that. You just wait for the clicking sound. So we're gonna push this in. And I can't suddenly get this one to go in. And it seems like, okay, now it's securely in. All right, so the wrist straps are now on, and now it's time to power on this thing and get it paired with my device. All right, so let's turn this thing on. There it goes. Right there you see Samsung. Right there it's lit up. And right away you see the prompt just came right up. So right here we're just going to press connect. And there's the Galaxy Watch 8. Now I gotta make sure that the code matches, and it does. So we'll just press confirm. And now it's gonna download all the software that it needs to download. So it just did that. And I'm setting it up for myself. So we're gonna agree to that. And now it's getting ready to connect. And so we're going to agree to the terms and conditions and continue. Continue as myself, and then just right there. And then we're going to press, we're going to come all the way down. We're going to press I agree. And then all the apps that I had previously installed, I'm just going to simply press, I'm going to let the watch install that, and then automatic watch backup. So we'll just press next. And it's checking smart switch for, checking for smart switch on my watch. And right here, smart switch on watch uses these permissions. So we're going to allow all the permissions. And I'm going to set it up as a new watch just because like I want to use it as brand new. So we're going to, I'm going to wear it on my left wrist, and we're going to press next, and we're going to track stress. So next, next, next. I do wear my watch to sleep, by the way. It allows me to track my sleeping. Next, next, and it's going to finish setting up. And now we're all set. So there's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and you could check your rhythm and other vital information easily. Get started by downloading the Samsung Health Monitor app. So I'm just learn how to get the most from your watch. Not now. So we'll just press not now. So right here you could see you got the watch settings right there. This is all the settings right here. And of course you have Find My Watch. So if let's say I, for some reason, lost it, or it's somewhere in the house or something, I could bring my watch. And then of course, right here you have tips and user guide. You have the store, you have the watch faces, app screen, tiles, quick panel. And yeah, so right here, it's gonna ask me to take a tour of the watch. So we'll press start. And right here, you could swipe down. There it is. There's all your quick settings right there. And now we're gonna find the apps. So we're gonna press next. And you get to swipe up from the bottom to get to your apps. Right here are my apps. Good, now let's learn about tiles. So tiles, you would swipe in from the right, which right here, again, it would just continue on, but it's actually taking me through a tutorial. That's why it's not actually letting me do that. So we'll check notifications now. That is a swipe in from the left. So right there, now you could press that and it will show you the notification in further detail. So we'll just swipe, and then to dismiss a notification, you would just simply swipe up, press the home button now to go to your watch face from any screen, and that's it. And now I get to enjoy my watch. So right here, this is what I mean. Boom, cleared. Now, if you have a bunch of notifications, you may not necessarily be able to do that. So you'd have to swipe up all the way till you get to the trash can. So you just simply do that. And if you have a bunch of them, like I said, you may not necessarily be able to swipe them all away. You have to go all the way down and go to the trash can. But yeah, that's the setup of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. All right, so right here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. And to be honest with you, I'm not really in love with the whole squircle thing that they got going on here. Yeah, the screen is round. It is a round screen, as you can see here. But the whole squircle thing, I'm just sort of not feeling. I don't know. To me, if you're gonna go for a round screen, do a full-on round watch. Or if you're gonna go for a square, go for a square watch. Don't do the squircle thing. Just my personal opinion. But anyway, if you want to see my review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 that I did, that video is down in the playlist right down below here. And of course, I will be doing a review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 in the coming days. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe and press the notification bell.